How to use Temu first order discount. So Temu's first order discount is typically structured as a new user welcome bundle rather than a single flat discount code. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to download Temu app from your respective app store. Type in Temu and install the app. Once you're done installing the Temu app, you then need to open the Temu app onto your device and start creating a new account. So if you don't have an account, you just want to go ahead and create that. But in my case, I already have an account. And upon your first login, a pop-up often shows up. That means a wheel or spin the wheel or a gift box, right? Which will typically appear and engaging with this provides a voucher that makes up to 90% value purchase. Then just navigate to this dedicated section in the app to find product at a rock bottom price. Then you just want to combining these already discount items with your new user voucher maximize your savings as well. Once you've done this, you could then go ahead and apply your code at the checkout, add items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Then next, you just want to locate the apply coupon or coupon field. Then enter your specific code, and that's how you're going to apply for a checkout. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.